Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. In today's episode, we're going to take a closer look at the AIKOKOK Wireless Bluetooth Mouse. The AIKOKOK mouse offers dual-mode connectivity, supporting both Bluetooth 5.2, 3.0 and USB 2.4G wireless connections. This means you can easily switch between two devices without the need for additional drivers or installations. The mouse features a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. With just 2 hours of charging, you get up to 5 days of working time and an impressive 30 days of standby time. It also goes into standby mode after 5 minutes of inactivity to save power. One of the standout features of this mouse is the LED colorful breathing light. It boasts 7 different LED colors that change randomly while in use, creating a cool and fancy atmosphere, perfect for both work and gaming. The mouse is designed with a silent click feature, reducing noise by up to 90%, ensuring a quiet workspace. Its fingerprint-proof surface coating provides a comfortable and skin-like touch. The anti-slip rubber scroll wheel prevents your hand from slipping while scrolling. This mouse is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, computers, Apple devices, tablets, and more. It works seamlessly with Android, Chromebook, Windows, Vista, Linux, and macOS. The AIKOKOK mouse is slim, lightweight, and easily fits into your laptop bag, making it ideal for travel. The USB receiver is conveniently stored inside the back of the mouse for safekeeping. It's essential to note that Bluetooth and 2.4G modes cannot be used simultaneously. The AIKOKOK Wireless Bluetooth Mouse is available on Amazon at an incredible price of just $5.48, making it a fantastic value for its features. In conclusion, the AIKOKOK Wireless Bluetooth Mouse is a versatile, stylish, and affordable accessory for your computing needs. With dual-mode connectivity, impressive battery life, LED lighting, and silent operation, it's a great addition to your setup. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.